Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new XRP update video. Right now up 9.48%. I know you're quite happy about that, so yeah, that's probably why you click on this video. So we're gonna talk about that. Welcome back to the only altcoins channel you ever need on YouTube. Maybe this one and a couple of more, because I cannot cover like 2,000 coins. That said, let's get into charts and see what's actually happening with the XRP. I mean, we don't want to do a chit chat for 2 hours, right? So very nice. This candle over here, this is a daily candle. This is what's happening right now. It's broke our resistance at 141, and for the last couple of days we've been only thing been talking about is this 141 resistance, and today is the day that we are actually breaking it. So congratulations to everybody, because nice gains are in the promising path, or whatever you call it. So it looks very nice and dandy. So basically what we did here on the last 3 days, we revisit the 10 moving average with the wicks. We didn't go and close down, but we visited with the wicks 3 days in a row. And now once this can actually happen, when we visited down to the 10 moving average, and then we got back to the 20 moving average, sit just below this 20 moving, it's kind of bullish sign saying like we should be going up, so I was kind of expecting this to blow, and now it blew up, and it's looking quite nice. So looks like we're having some kind of tracement from 161 down to 153. So if you bought up here, I wouldn't be that worried about, because let's go into the 1 hourly frame. These are some kind of climbing steps on 1 hour. You can see there's moving averages down here. So basically what usually happens is that it climbs on the moving average, either 10 or the 20 moving average, it climbs up. Now this is the 1 hourly time frame, and the pump actually happened quite fast. It only used like 3 hours to get up, and now you're having a slight pullback. You can also use the 4 hourly time frame and the 10 moving average to climb up. You can see here how we are climbing without even touching the 10 moving average. So that can happen something like this over here as well, that we are going to climb that way. That said, it looks super bullish right now. I don't know any other way to describe it. So the target right now after breaking the 141 should be actually 197. Of course, after we touch the 193 first, but 197 should be the target and not 183. I think actually 183 might actually be bigger target than 197, but let's use 197 because it's a nicer number. It's almost like 2. Almost 2. And after that we of course have the big shebang 2.7 that we're gonna reach. That's let's just take a quick look on what's happening with the daily cross on the MACD. Is it actually gonna happen? Right now I think we still got a day or two left before we actually get that cross. It might actually start going tomorrow. Depends on how much we pump today. So tomorrow maybe we're already gonna get this bullish cross. And I've been saying before, the bullish cross in itself is not doesn't change the trend of the price, but it confirms the trend. So basically the change of trend came down here between the change of the red and light red color, right? So the trend came here, you can see it clearly, that's the trend change, and here as well, that's the trend change up here. So this is a trend change, this is a trend change, right? So these crosses that are crossing on the MACD, they are only more like confirmation that this cross just confirming that this is actually a real top, and next cross is going to confirm this actually a real bottom. So that's what I'm actually looking for, and that also might actually push a lot more traders into the game and push the price even higher up. So bullish cross are always bullish, always good for a price. It's rarely when you are in bull market and price is going that fast and high up that can be a bearish thing. On the weekly chart as always, we are getting this, if like we said before, if we close above 149, we will be getting what's called engulfing bullish candle. That's this candle over here that engulfs previous candle. It means it nullifies it, invalidates the previous candle. So this is a very bullish sign. So there's just bullishness all around. Like there is no way you can look at XRP and say it's not bullish. So if this is some kind of a predictor of what's to come between the SEC lawsuit and between XRP and Security Exchange Commission, I would think that XRP is going to come out of that lawsuit a lot better than people might actually think or not, because the way I see it, the lawsuit is already priced into the market action. So I think people already know or expecting what's going to happen. So that's why they're acting the way they're acting. And that's why this looks so bullish right now, is because they're expecting a good outcome for XRP and Ripple. And if that comes, that's going to be even more bullish for XRP, might even push the price even more higher up. Now there might be another option that they are pushing the price very high up on purpose, just so they can short it later when the bad news comes. You know, it's a game of you know, chicken and mouse or something like that. I don't know what's called, but either way, right now we are super bullish, and we are breaking all of it. So basically between right now 141 and 190, there is not actually any resistance. It's smooth sailing. I think there is a resistance on 1.60 or something like that. Let's double check that. Let's go and tell it over here. Yeah, there is some kind of resistance sitting here at 153 and just before 189. So basically the only thing, yeah, we are hitting that right now, 158. That's some kind of a resistance on the way up. But these daily resistances, they're kind of important, but more important are these weekly resistances and tops and stuff like that. 158, we might actually hit the top for the day. We might looking to have some kind of retracement for the rest of the day. Depends on how long this is going to take, if it's just going to hit the 10 moving average or 20 moving average on the retracement back. But all in all, it looks super bullish. There is no other way to describe this than super bullish. It's like, it looks nice. It looks nice. That said, you know what to do with the button down below if you want to see more of these bullish news on XRP. We do XRP mostly every day, so if that's your thing, you know, subscribe to the channel. Check down links below. We got a very nice community. Yesterday we had 2,000 members. Today we have almost 2,200 members. So join the community, be part of the chat, and you know, don't go through the woods alone. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the Patreon as well. That might be something for you. See you around. Bye bye.